Today I'm going to show you how to receive top posts and stories notifications periodically in X, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to make sure you stay updated with the best content without getting overwhelmed by constant alerts. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see all the options right away, click More. This will open up the full menu so you can access additional settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, look for Notifications and click it. This is where X lets you control what kinds of alerts you receive and how often you get them. After that, click Preferences. This section gives you more detailed control over your notification settings. Now go to Email Notifications. This is the area where you can manage what X sends to your email address. Scroll through the options until you find the Top Posts and Stories section. Here, you'll see a setting for Periodically. All you need to do is toggle on Periodically under Top Posts and Stories. Once this is enabled, X will send you these notifications from time to time instead of constantly. That's it, the setting is now turned on. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.